Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into Canvas student app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is, if you are using your iOS, what you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Canvas and you'll be getting check for the app icon like this on your screen and then tap on it. Now all you gotta do is tap on get and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on open, and now once you open here, what you need to do is either you can use the QR code to log in or just simply tap on find my school and then search for your school as well. Type the name of your school or district into the search bar, select your school from the list that appears. If your school uses a custom URL for Canvas, you may need to enter that directly. Then after selecting your school, you'll be directed to login screen. Enter your username and password. If you're unsure of your login credentials, check your school's IT department or help desk. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up push notification for messages, assignments and grades. You can choose your preferences or skip this step. After logging in, you should see your courses listed on the dashboard. You can select a course to view assignments, grades and other materials. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.